In this video, we will have a look about the upload button targeting. We will have a look how to show the button on all products, specific variants, and specific collections. So the default setting is all products. That means that this button will be displayed on all products. Now, if we just want to show the button for specific products, we will go and open up the drop-down. We'll select these products. Once we did the selection, we can now see the button choose products will appear. I will click on that. And now all the products in my store will be listed down. I can now select from this list the products where I want to display my upload button. For example, I can say I want to display it on this product, and on this product. I can click add. Then I just have to save, and then the button will appear just on these products. Now let's go further. I will delete them again. Let's say now we want to display them on specific collections. For that, I will click on in the drop down on this collections. I will click the button choose collections and can see now all the collections which are added here in my store. I just have two. I have the first one and the second one, and I can say whether I want to show it on this collection or on both collections. That means all products which are contained in these collections will then also have the button which will appear on the product page. Let us say add. It will add here, and then we can click save. But in my case, I can now also say I will remove them again, because we want to check now also about the variant targeting. I will open up the drop down again. I can click this variants. Now the button will appear, choose variants. I will click on that and get now a list with all products and also all variants. So now I can also say, for example, I want to show it for this t-shirt, but just for size S and just for size L, and I can click add. And now this is also mentioned here. I can click the save button, and then the upload field will just be displayed on this product and this variants. Right. I can also show to you how this will look like. Let me save it. We set it to S and L on product shirts. I also have the product opened up here. Let me refresh the page first of all. So now we see on size S it is showing, on size M it is not showing, on size L it is showing, and on size XL it's not showing. So that's basically how the button targeting works.